Hi, it's Tracy. I'm an account executive with Encore Business Solutions. We want to be able to manage that customer life cycle. We also want our customers to refer us to other businesses. It's really important to take care of our customers because, again, we do want the customer for life. Today, we're able to offer applications that are fully integrated. So there's typically one solution with many apps or applications. Once we do have them as a customer, we want to make sure that we take care of them, that we're checking in on them. Getting feedback is very important in today's market. In today's world, you want to know what your customers are saying about you. With these tools, we're able to predict our customers' needs. No more worrying about, did we get back to them on time, if we missed their call, or it got passed on to the wrong department. Our customers know that we really care about them. The outcome of increased customer satisfaction, obviously, is increased revenue, which makes the whole team happy. They were able to make a customer happy, the customer referred us to more business, or they do repeat business, which overall allows us to grow and offer better service to our customers. In the past, oftentimes large IT projects were capital intensive, and sometimes they were not successful, simply because the application or solution wasn't agile enough to respond to your growing business needs. Today we have solutions that each day there's actually new functionality. It's quite incredible. In today's world, we're used to instant access, video on demand, binge watching. Why would it be any different for our business applications? We want to make informed decisions today. With a unified system, you have access to information instantly, whether it be on your phone, your tablet, your desktop. Getting that information on a timely basis allows you to make better decisions. And also we can work collaboratively on those decisions. One of the tools that we can use to access that information is Power BI. It allows me to have a graphical user interface, or data visualization as it's also known as. And I can quickly see areas of the business that need my attention, as well as share that information out. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is an end-to-end application. Each component works well on its own, but works even better combined. With this end-to-end application, there's no interruption between time entry, expense entry, paying our vendors on time, communicating electronically with both our customers and our vendors, and our financial reporting. Our time to close those books can be greatly improved. Another great aspect of Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Office 365 is Microsoft's attention and investment in global compliance and security. Well, that's a whole other topic, and I'd love to speak to you more on that another time. At Encore, we believe we make our customers' lives better with these solutions. We look forward to hearing more about your business. Please reach out to us or visit our website so we can continue this conversation.